In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a Facebook Business Manager account, whether you're a small business owner or a digital marketing. It's very important to have a Facebook account. It's essential for managing your Facebook pages, your accounts, and other assets. So I'm going to be taking you through step-by-step process on how you can create your Facebook your business manager. The first step is you go to facebook dot business.facebook.com. That is the website. That is where we are now, business.facebook.com, and it brings you to this site. It brings you to this place. Then you click on create account, and click on create account. Is going to take you to a place where you fill in your business or account name, your name, and your business email. So I'll be giving the name. I'll use let me say gift stores. Just give it any name. Gift stores. The name is there. For my business email, you can use the email you use in conducting your business. Any email you use in conducting your business, that is what you're going to use. So I have the email for this. Be sure that the okay. So this is it. You click submit. And when you submit, it's going to come back with a feedback that you should confirm your email address, which will be done. You go confirm your email address. They would have sent you a mail, sent a mail to your email. So you go and confirm the email address. And it's taking me to the business manager now. So it brings you to this page. This is the back end of your Facebook account. This is the back end where when you set up all your adverts and the rest. So the first thing you do here is it has brought you to this page. So you need to create an ad account. You need to create your pages because there are no existing pages here. There is no ad account. So you need to create all that. So you go to setting, business settings. You go to business setting, you add the page, you add the ad account. So it will bring it to a page like this. It will bring it to this page. So what do you do here? This is where you add your face. This is where you add Facebook page. The Facebook page you've created. This is where you add your ad account and the rest. So for your Facebook page, if you already have a Facebook page created, you just add it here. And if you don't have, you create a new Facebook page through this place. So you click on pages. You come here, you click on pages under accounts, you click on pages. It brings you here. It said gift stores doesn't have any pages yet. Yes, we don't have any page on this account. So what do? You add. Click on add. It says add the page. So if you already have a page, what you just do is add the page here. You click and you add the page. And if you want to request, if you want someone to have access, if you want to request access to someone's page, you click on this. It will send the information to the person. The person approves you. You have access to the person's page through this platform or through this site. Now the third one is create a new page, which is what we're going to do because I don't have any page on this ads on this ad account on this account. So I'm going to create a new page. Click on create a new page. So this is how I'm going to create a new page here. Local business or place. Let me use local business or place. So the options that came out, you just choose what fits the product or services you're offering or rendering. So my page name, I'll still give it gift stores. Gift stores. You can call your page name anything that suits you. Category. Let me say beauty cosmetics. Then street address. Street address. I'm going to fill in this street address and click on create page, and I'll come back to the video. So after creating the page, it brings you here. This is the page you just created, gift stores. This is the page you just created. So it's time for you to add assign partners or add people. You have to add yourself so you have access to your Facebook page. It says some access settings may not be available here. So you need to go to your page, your Facebook setting to do those. So but we are here now, we're concentrating on what we can do here. So it says like if you click on assign partners, like you want people to have access, he said assign partners by Facebook. So you can use the person's Facebook business ID, or you get a link that you share to the partner. The next one is adding people. You click on add people. Now, if you want to add people to your, if you want to add people to your page, you want people to, like, if you have admins and the rest, you want to add them to your page. This is where you add them, and you turn on the notification, you turn on what the option you want, the will I say the attacks, what you want them to do, you turn it on. Like if you want the person to manage content, you turn this on. You want community, you turn this on. Message, you send messages and respond, you turn this on. Ads and the rest. So for this place, you're going to add yourself first. Add yourself to have control over this. So you add yourself, turn all on, add yourself, so you have access. Add yourself, then you assign yourself. Yes, you've assigned yourself. Then if you have any other person you need to assign, you assign. So this is all for creating your, for adding your Facebook page here. So our advice, after adding your Facebook page, you go to the main Facebook account, go to pages, you will see your Facebook page there. Go to the setting and adjust the settings. If you're yet to watch, or if you're yet to know how to create a Facebook business page from your Facebook account, I did a video on it. You can check below, click the link below to watch the video. It will show you how to set up your Facebook page properly. So when you get to the Facebook page, just follow the process, the steps in the video. It will help you set up your Facebook page properly, be your Facebook business page properly. So that is all for adding Facebook page. The next thing we're going to add is Facebook, your ad account. We're going to create your ad account. So we're going to create your ad account. The next thing to create is ad account. So you click on this ad account here. You click on it. You click on the ad account here, brings you to this place. Say Gift Stores does not have any ad account yet. So we're going to create a fresh ad account. So if you already have, if there's an ad account you want to control from here, or there's an ad account, maybe for example you're running ads for people and there's an ad account you want to have access to from here, you can add the ad account, or you request access to an ad account, you click here. But for this case, we're going to create a fresh ad account. So you click create a new ad account. So it says you create, so you're going to give your new ad account name. I'll still give it Gate Stores. You can give your new ad account any name. Gate Stores, yeah. Then your time zone. You have to set your time zone. For example, if you're in wherever you are, you have to set your time zone. Like if you're in Nigeria, you can click I can see you can click, you see, Africa Lagos. If you're in Nigeria, you click Africa Lagos. Wherever you are, just look for your time zone setting here and click on it. It's very important to use the right time zone. Then currency depends on, you can use currency if you are, let's see. So I'm going to, for the sake of this video, I'm going to use Nigeria. In Nigeria, but I'm going to use Nigeria for my time zone, Lagos. I'm going to select dollar. I was looking for. I'm going to select dollar and move to the next. Now, how do you want to say who will this ad account be used for? This ad account to be used for is it your business or for another client? So if you want to run adverts, or want to help someone, a client to set up adverts and the rest. So you click on another business or client, but we're using it for personal. And I'm sure most of us that be watching this will be using it for our own personal business. So you click my business and click create. Automatically the your ad account has been created. So you have to give permission to have to whom, just like we did for the page, you have to give permission to yourself. So to manage your campaigns and others. So you click manage campaigns, give permission to yourself. So you have the permission to manage all your campaigns, have full control of the ad account. If you want to add someone here to help you to manage your if you want to add someone here to manage your campaign for you, you search and add the person. But for this place, we're adding yourself because you're the one managing the account. And you click assign. Said account successfully created. It's as simple as that. So now after creating your, I'm sure we know that running your Facebook is not free. You have to pay for it. It's not running a Facebook ad is not free. You have to pay for it. So you have to add your payment info. You click payment info. So it takes you to this place. What you add is your card, your bank card, and the rest. This is what you have to add. So it's telling us, okay, you're in Nigeria, what currency. So you have to fill in your details. You have to fill in the details here, Nigeria, US dollar. So you want to pick the currency. You want to look for Naira because you want to pay with Naira. You look for Naira. Yeah, what have I done? You look for Naira because you want to pay with Naira. Let's do it very fast. Because you're in Nigeria. If you're not in Nigeria, you can pick your country's currency. So we're picking Naira and you click on next. Please, when picking this option, you have to be very, very careful because you cannot change it again. You will not have access to this place to change that information again unless you want to delete the ad account completely and create a new ad account. You cannot change. So be very careful of the information you put in at that stage because it cannot be changed. So now if you want to add payment, I'm not going to go through with this, but I'm just going to explain this. If you want to add payment, if you have your debit card, you add your debit card and you pay through your debit card. But if you don't have a debit card, I will advise, if you're in Nigeria, because of the problem we're having with payment issues with banks, international payments, I would advise you go for prepaid. That's you go for this pay you. It's like a middleman between Facebook and you. They collect the payments on behalf of Facebook. So it's better because you don't need the direct access to your credit card like how you do with direct to bank. So it's very, very easy to pay with this. So but the difference is if you're paying with your, okay, no, let me just go straight to this. Now, you just add. You have to add what you do with this. That you have to add money to your account before you can run your advert. Like if your advert is, let's say you're running 5,000 naira every day or 2,000 or whatever you're running every day, you have to put the money. The money will have to be in your account before Facebook can let you run. Before the advert can fly. But if you're using a dollar account, you can you can run your adverts before payments. That's the difference. If you are using a dollar account, you can run your adverts after you accumulate some you accumulate some amount. Facebook will take it from your card or Facebook will debit you. But for Naira, for pay you will have to pay in the money first before you can run your advert. But I will advise, if you're Nigeria, this will be easy for you, not for to avoid frustration. Pick this option. It will take you to where you were asked to to add money to the account. You just follow the prompt, follow the process, and money will be added to your account before you can now start running your advert. After adding your payment setting, after adding your payment, the next thing you do, you click here, you click on this, and you go to your ads manager. We're waiting for it to load. While waiting for okay, it's this is your ad manager now. It's been created. So this is where you run your Facebook ad. So you're going to say, does your business give stuff focus on politics? This is no. If your business focus on politics or national interest, you can say yes, but mine is no. So this is your Facebook. This is your ads. This is the ad account you just created. This is it here. So this is where we'll run our Facebook ads and everything. For you to start running your Facebook ad, you click on create. But that is not why we're here today. So just want to show you how the platform is, how it is after creating your Facebook, after creating your account and adding your page and everything, it brings you to this place. So if you have any question concerning pertaining what we have done today, just drop your comments in the comment section. I'm going to reply you and answer your questions. If this is your first time in this channel, my name is Joy Wawe. Please hit the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel if this content resonates with you. Also, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on the great contents we drop here. Click the like button, give us a thumbs up, share and comment on the comment section. Be free in the comment section. You can give us topics you want us to discuss. Drop the topics, drop your questions, and I'll be answering them. And also, stick with me on this series of how to run a successful Facebook advert. More content are coming up on this series. Thank you for staying to the end. See you next time. Bye.